This is a safe funk in the house, and let me tell y'all a little public service announcement for people that have had a traumatic brain injury. One, the leading cause of another is in fact the first traumatic brain injury, 'cause I was sitting here enjoying my coffee this morning, and all of a sudden I felt a sneeze come on, and I had to sneeze. Well, I turned my chair on, and it wouldn't move because of the delay. So I just had to let it out, and I sneezed so hard and caught my chin on this. So I'm taking aspirin and ice pack, but if you're ever in this situation, always be aware of your surroundings, just in case the unknown comes about and you have to